Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payal Bhardwaj. How are you? I hope you all are doing great in your lives. And today's video is going to be very exciting and helpful because I'm going to show you what hair oil I use. And I'm using this hair oil for almost like 2 years now. And I can't say that it will do wonders with your hair because nothing can do wonder. And of course, it's all organic, so it will take its time to show the results. A little disclaimer before starting this video. I am not recommending this oil to anyone. If you feel like it is good, it's gonna be useful, only then use it. Also, if you are allergic to any of these ingredients, you can make this oil without that ingredient. वैसे तो I don't think anyone can be allergic to coconut oil. But still, if you are, then you can also make this oil with mustard oil. First, I'll tell you the ingredients I'm going to use in my hair oil. So yeah, let's go. Here I have taken 1.5 fresh aloe vera and 1 onion, diced into small pieces as you can see in the plate. Some fresh curry leaves, 10 capsules of vitamin E, 2 to 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds, and this coconut oil. This one's wood pressed coconut oil. I would recommend you to use any extra virgin or wood pressed coconut oil because these ones are far better than those refined ones, and they literally smell like coconut burfi or laddus. Now I'm taking this chotu si kadhai. You can take any utensil you want, it's totally your choice, and pouring almost 400 to 500 ml of coconut oil into it. Waiting for it to get heated. After it gets heated, I'm putting aloe veras into the oil. You need to be very careful while doing this step. I'm putting curry leaves into the oil. And wait till they leave their flavor into the oil. is almost done after 20 to 25 minutes. Now you can see I have switched off the flame and see the oil. Now you can strain it into some container or jar. Now after the oil is done, you can squeeze these capsules into the oil. And yeah, our organic oil is ready to go into the hair. Happy hair! So yeah, this is it. I hope you like this video, and also if you use this hair oil, if you are gonna make this hair oil, then please try to tag me on my Instagram. I'll mention my Instagram handle on the screen. It's very simple, @Payal__Bhardwaj. So yeah, bye, see you soon. And hello guys, welcome back to my channel.